Come on.
He wants me to go into the garden and give him some food. The young one is underneath the bush behind you. Yeah, here's the mother. Or the father, whatever. Yeah, it's going underneath the bush. He goes a different direction so that you don't suspect where the young one is. Here it comes again. He's going to go behind the pot. Sneak in behind the pot. Yeah. He's sneaking behind the pot. There he is. You take a mouthful and take it to the young one. Yeah, here he goes. I wouldn't like to be a bird that's constant. As soon as they hatch and fledge, it's non-stop. From sunrise to sunset, keep feeding it. And what do you get? Not even thanks. They start flying to a different direction. He's feeding that youngster better than I'm getting fed. He's got Ritz, banana, cornflakes, brown bread with seeds, toast. Cut. You'll probably finish that in about 10 minutes. Mealworms. I reckon the young one is gonna go, blimey, my dad or mum keeps bringing me food all the time. I better go and have a look. So he might pop out in a minute and have a look where he's getting all the food from. I want to come here. This is all you can eat buffet. They're always fighting them too. There you go. What we got here, a little sparrow in that corner there. He wants to sneak in and take some food.
Can you see this?
Yeah. He's on the, oh, he's going inside the plant.
Yeah, I can see my recording.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's curious, look. He's getting insects. Blimey, look. There he is, he's back again, look. Yeah. Sneaking in, look. See if the coast is clear. Oh, he's gone onto the floor now. And this one, he hasn't stopped eating or feeding the young. I put a banana, cut her grapes in half, and I got a cherry from the garden, which are the cherry tree, and they completely ravaged all the cherries. So I picked one that's on there and I put it in there, see if the blackbird likes it. Didn't take long, did it? Half an hour, and he's back again. Let's see if he picks a banana, cherry. Oh,
What do you say? Real well.
let's have a look.
Not real well, I bet.
Now he's taking the banana.
Oh,
No, he didn't take the banana.
what do you say? Real well.
He's taking one of the grapes. Yeah, he's taking the grape. Okay. Yeah. He's happy. He's chirping. September, he'll have all the grapes he wants on the pergola.
You've got to beat the starlings down.
Oh yeah, he's got to beat the starlings, yeah.